Okay, let's start. The first thing that you need to learn, of course, if you want to learn how to crochet, is how you will hold your hook and your yarns, of course. So holding the hook is up as if it is like a pen. This is the most widely used method in holding the hook. Just like this, you're holding like a pen. So there's a space here. It's just like this. You hold like this, then you work like that. So for me, I'm using this when I was starting, but there is an alternative way in holding the hook, just like this. So for me, in my experience, I use this kind of style when I'm getting better already. So you do like this. Okay, so the first is like a pen like this. You hold it like this, and then the second option is you do it. So it depends on you where you will be comfortable when you are working on crochet already. And then, of course, to control the supply of your yarns, you have to uh, keep an even gauge for your yarn, and you have to know how to handle your yarn properly. This is how I handle my yarn. First, you have to put it here, here, and then this is my control. For this one, there are so many ways of doing it. For me, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with that. But some people are doing this and then this. So it is up to you. So let's do it again. Here and control here and here, just like that. So this is how I control my yarn and hold my yarn to start like that. Okay, let's go to making a slip knot. Slip knot is very important because that is the start of whatever you want to do. So for me, once you're holding your yarn, you're holding your hook. This is how the way I do it. Put it here to make a slip knot, and then another round, and then you gently pull the other yarn from here, and that's it, and then tighten it. So this is the slip knot. Okay, now that you know how to make a slip knot, and that is the start, so now let's work on a foundation. The foundation is, the beginning is always the chain. So the foundation chain is important to make sure that you have made the required number of chains for the pattern that you are working on. Like for example, how big, how long it is. So it will rely on your chain. So to make a chain, you just need to uh, do your slip knot, then you know how to do the slip knot, and then you start working on a chain like this. One, two, three, four. How to count your chain is just simple like counting here. One, two, three, four. So you have four chains now. Okay, so now that you know how to make a foundation chain, we now let's go on working on a single crochet. Okay, single crochet is very simple. This is your chain, your last chain, and then this is like for example, you make a chain. Okay, so this is your last chain. To make a single crochet, you just have to go here, begin with the foundation chain into your left, and insert the hook from the front to back into the second chain from the hook. Okay, like this. wrap the yarn over the hook, and then pull it through. Okay, so that's one single crochet. Again, that's another single crochet. Okay, that's another single crochet. Okay, single crochet. Now let's work on half double crochet. Begin with a foundation chain and wrap the yarn over the hook and insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. Insert and draw the yarn, and then you will see 1, 2, 3, and then pull it through. So that's the start of half double crochet. Again, okay, wrap the yarn over the hook, insert into the chain, pull it through, then you have 1, 2, 3, and then pull it through. So this is the half double crochet. Okay, half double crochet. Okay, now let's work on double crochet. For double crochet, wrap the yarn over the hook and then insert the hook into the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you have 1, 2, 3 loops, and then pull it through to the 1, 2 loops, and then again. Okay, again. Then you have 3 loops. Just pull it through into the 2 loops. So this is the double crochet. One more. Double crochet. Okay, in here I will show you on how you will work on the slip stitch. This is the shortest of all the crochet stitches. It means it main uses are for joining rounds, making seams, and carrying the hook and yarn from one place to another. So how you will do the slip stitch. In every end of your work, you can always do a chain one, okay? Then slip stitch is like this. You just have to go here and then insert the hook in front to the back into the required stitch, then wrap the yarn over the hook and draw it. So that's the slip stitch. Okay, just like this. Okay, okay, that's the slip stitch. Slip stitch. Okay, let's work on treble crochet. Treble crochet is like a double crochet, but you will do it twice. So let's do it. Begin with the foundation chain again. Wrap the yarn over the hook twice. If we did this in double crochet like this, and then one more for treble crochet. Okay, and insert the hook into the fifth chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth chain. When you insert that, then you will have how many loops? 1, 2, 3, 4 loops, and then you will take 2 loops every time. Yarn over, 2 loops, and then 2 loops, and then 2 loops. So meaning 3 times you do it. Again, 1, 2, and then insert the hook, pull it through, get this two, get this two, and get this two. So treble. One more. One, two. Okay, this is the treble crochet. Okay, what about double treble crochet? So let's do the double treble crochet. Let's have a foundation chain here. Okay, let's make it a little bit longer. Okay, so we have the foundation chain here for double treble crochet. It's like a treble, but you will you will wrap the yarn over the hook 3 times, not 2 times. Okay, so let's say you want to do a double treble crochet, 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, then the beginning is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the fifth chain. Okay, always get 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is double treble crochet. One more. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Double treble crochet. Now let's make a foundation ring. It's foundation ring is like this. Start with your chain. Let's say let's start with 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and how you will join uh, the first chain to the last chain, just use the slip stitch. Okay, from here you can do it from here, or you can do it here at the back. So it depends on your pattern. So let's do it here and do the slip stitch. So now you have the round. Working into the ring is when you finish joining it using slip stitch, just always chain one. If you want to make a single crochet inside the ring, then you can just chain one and then single crochet. Okay, chain single crochet inside the ring. I suggest you hide this, working with this inside, so you can hide it inside the ring like this, inside the ring. If you want it double crochet or treble, it's up to you. So let's say let's do the double crochet in here, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. If you want, let's do treble. You have 1, 2, 3, treble crochet, 1, 2. So you see the difference of height, single crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet. How to crochet using magic ring. For me, it's I will just do it a very simple round like this. this is enough for me, and it's up to you. There's so many way, but this is how I do it, and I want to share it with you. Position your yarn, and once you have this, just like this, and then you can work on like chain one always, just control here, and then let's say you're doing single crochet, let's just do single crochet here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the reason why it is called magic ring, because once you pull this, it will give you a seamless middle. You will not see the hole here, especially if you're using yarn, small yarns. You will never notice that the hole there. And then all you have to do is join this using slip stitch here in your first single crochet. Okay, and that's it, your magic ring.